Hi, today I want to talk about what you need to do when you arrive at Kyoto. I think you might arrive at Kyoto Station by train. I know you have heavy luggages, but don't forget to grab this Kyoto City Map. You can get this map at the Tourist Information Center in Kyoto Station. I know this is old school, but this map will help you a lot to make your travel plan in Kyoto. This map is made by Kyoto City Tourism Association, so that this is the official map of Kyoto. A lot of useful information that you cannot miss, especially World Heritage sites. If you open the map, you'll find out the map is separated into 4 major areas. For example, if you want to visit this, find it in the map. Check the surroundings. There's a lot of things to see you might miss if you don't check this map before. If you forget to get this map at the Kyoto Station, you also can get this at the Tourist Information Center at the Kawaramachi streets. And also don't forget to ask about the bus map. This map will help you to navigate you to the right bus to your next destination. Bring those maps to Kyoto Localized walking tours. Our local guide is gonna help you to navigate what to do next after the tour and also the following dates in Kyoto. Thank you very much for watching.